Welcome to our guide on how to clean and maintain your computer hardware. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate inside your computer, causing it to overheat and slow down. By following these simple steps, you can keep your computer running smoothly and extend its lifespan. One of the most important components to keep clean is your computer's fan. A dirty fan can cause your computer to overheat, which can lead to hardware failure. To clean your fan, you'll need a can of compressed air. You can find these at most electronic stores or online. Make sure your computer is turned off and unplugged before you begin. Then, locate the fan on your computer. It's usually located on the back or side of the tower, or on the bottom of a laptop. Hold the can of compressed air upright and spray short bursts of air onto the fan. Be careful not to tilt the can, as this can cause liquid to come out and damage your computer. Once you've finished cleaning the fan, you can plug your computer back in and turn it on. You should notice that it runs more quietly and efficiently. In the next segment, we'll show you how to clean your computer's keyboard and mouse. Your keyboard and mouse are two of the most frequently used components of your computer. Over time, they can become dirty and covered in germs. Here's how to clean them. Start by using a can of compressed air to blow away any loose debris from your keyboard and mouse. This will make it easier to clean the surfaces. Next, use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the surfaces of your keyboard. Be sure to get in between the keys and around the edges. For your mouse, use a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol to clean the surface and buttons. This will help remove any dirt or grime that has built up. Once you've finished cleaning your keyboard and mouse, you'll notice that they look and feel much cleaner. This will help prevent the spread of germs and keep your computer looking great. In the next segment, we'll show you how to clean your computer screen. Your computer screen is the window to your digital world. Over time, it can become covered in dust, fingerprints, and smudges. Here's how to clean it. Start by using a microfiber cloth to wipe away any loose debris from your screen. This will make it easier to clean the surface. Next, apply a small amount of cleaning solution to the microfiber cloth. You can use a store-bought solution or make your own by mixing equal parts water and vinegar. Gently wipe the screen with the cloth, being careful not to press too hard. This can damage the screen or leave streaks. Once you've finished cleaning your screen, you'll notice that it looks much clearer and brighter. This will make it easier to read and reduce eye strain. In the next segment, we'll show you how to clean your computer's exterior. Now that we've cleaned the inside of your computer and peripherals, it's time to focus on the exterior. Here's how to clean your computer's case or laptop shell. Start by using a microfiber cloth to wipe away any loose debris from the surface of your computer. This will make it easier to clean the case or shell. Gently wipe the case or shell with the cloth, being careful not to press too hard. This can scratch the surface or damage any stickers or labels. Once you've finished cleaning the exterior of your computer, you'll notice that it looks much cleaner and newer. This will help protect it from scratches and damage. In the final segment, we'll show you some tips for maintaining your computer's hardware over time. Now that you've cleaned your computer's hardware, it's important to maintain it over time. Here are some tips to help keep your computer running smoothly. First, make a habit of cleaning your computer's fan and other components every few months. This will help prevent dust buildup and keep your computer running cool. Second, use a surge protector to protect your computer from power surges and outages. This can help prevent hardware damage and data loss. Third, use antivirus software to protect your computer from viruses and malware. This can help prevent data loss and keep your personal information safe. Fourth, regularly back up your data to an external hard drive or cloud storage. This can help prevent data loss in case of hardware failure or other issues. Finally, make sure to turn off your computer when you're not using it. This can help prevent overheating and extend the lifespan of your hardware. By following these simple tips, you can keep your computer running smoothly and extend its lifespan. Thanks for watching our guide on how to clean and maintain your computer hardware.